is a Balkan network for physics. I think David knows more about that. Okay, but I will describe briefly, and you know.
We are involved in the same network, it's a theoretical physics network.
Yes, it is a theoretical physics network.
Yes.
But there was an attempt by Professor Georgievich and Professor Constantinescu to expand the activities of the network in teaching physics, and that's why they organized the Balkan Seminar for Physics Teachers. And this Balkan Seminar for Physics Teachers had included aspects of the didactics of science, and I participated with my identity as you know, somebody who is attached to didactics. I'm not a didactician, but I work at the Department of Education, so I know some things, I presume. And there was a very good idea by Professor Georgievich. I mean, we had a lot of ideas. We had a brainstorming of ideas, and some of these ideas concerned with history of science. For example, I think in 2 years there is the foundation of NIS in Serbia, with something involved with you know, Constantine the Great, you know, whom I have the honor to bear his name, you know, yes, and so on. So the foundation of NIS and Constantine the Great and whatever, you know, I mean, there will be a huge celebration in Serbia. And then there was the idea to launch an activity concerning Greek and Roman science in Serbia, and to link Constantine the Great with Roman science in Serbia. And that was a very good idea, which is going to be scheduled. Professor Georgievich wanted to be here. You know, he sent his apologies for not being able to participate, but he considers himself as an organic part of this network. So this activity is scheduled, and there was a lot of other activities, like organizing a Balkan tour for teachers, physics teachers or science teachers, around historic places, but not historic places of archaeological concern, but historic places having an importance for science. So that was an idea that to organize like a magic bus, starting from Bucharest, for example, because with Professor Constantinescu, he's also involved in, very good friend, and he's also involved in that. And starting going around the Balkan countries, you know, countries are important for science, to have such a tour. I mean, that was also an idea that was put forward. I mean, and behind this is the will and the ambition to link the countries of the region scientifically. That means, I mean, there is a cultural background which is common, but we have to highlight the scientific commons of the region, which, of course, is the purpose of this network as well. So, that's, I mean, and all this was discussed in July in Serbia, in Nice. A very good meeting organized. There were people from, I mean, the two main groups, Professor Georgievich and Professor Constantinescu, but there were also teachers from Bosnia and Herzegovina, Slovenia, I think, 2 or 3 people from Republic of Macedonia, and so, I mean, there was quite, and 2 or 3 of us from Greece, you know, as lecturers, but it seems that it's a very good network, and we want to strengthen the cooperation with this network to have the network of physics, and side by side to have the history of science. I mean, this is the idea, to be in contact with all existing networks in the region.